The Antonov An-225 Mriya was the undisputed giant of the skies, a six-engine marvel that captured the world's imagination for decades. Its massive landing gear, featuring 32 wheels, was a testament to the incredible engineering required to support such a colossal weight. Six powerful Progress D-18T turbofan engines provided the massive thrust needed to lift this 250-ton beast into the air. Born from a dream in the late 1980s, the Mriya became a legend, representing the pinnacle of heavy-lift aviation technology. Standing next to it, a human felt tiny. Its scale was unmatched, dwarfing every other aircraft ever built by man. The cargo hold was a cavernous cathedral of steel, long enough to house a fleet of cars or massive industrial components. It was designed to transport the impossible, items too large or heavy for any other plane to even consider carrying. While the Airbus Beluga XL is a formidable rival, it serves a very different purpose in the complex world of global logistics. The Beluga is built for volume, carrying large but light aircraft parts, while the Mriya was the king of pure, heavy weight. The Beluga is the backbone of the Airbus network, connecting factories across Europe in a seamless, high-tech transport dance. It carries massive wings and fuselage sections, fitting them into its unique, well-shaped cargo bay with incredible precision. With its iconic smile livery, the Beluga XL is a friendly face in the sky, but its mission is strictly professional. Its specialized design is a modification of the A330, transformed into a high-volume transporter that defies traditional aircraft aesthetics. Together, these giants form a global logistics network that keeps the world moving, delivering critical cargo whenever and wherever needed. The An-225's origin was even more ambitious. It was built to carry the Soviet Buran space shuttle on its back. Special mounting points were engineered into the fuselage, allowing it to transport the shuttle across the vast Soviet Union. It was a masterpiece of Soviet engineering, a project that pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible in the 1980s. With a wingspan of over 88 meters, it held the record for the largest wingspan of any aircraft in operational service. It set hundreds of world records, including the heaviest single-item payload and the highest total payload ever carried by air. Its capacity to carry 250 tons of cargo made it the ultimate tool for strategic heavy-lift missions. The unique nose-opening design allowed for easy loading of oversized items, making it incredibly versatile for different types of cargo. The plane could even kneel by retracting its front gear, lowering the ramp to the ground for easier access. Its twin-tail design was a necessity, ensuring stability even when carrying massive, bulky loads on top of its fuselage. Flying this beast required a highly skilled crew of 6, managing a complex array of analog and digital systems. The fuel demand was staggering, but for the unique missions it performed, there was simply no other alternative in the world. Its strategic importance was highlighted during global crises, when it delivered massive amounts of aid to remote and desperate regions. Humanitarian missions were a core part of its legacy, bringing hope and life-saving supplies to those in greatest need. Meanwhile, the Beluga XL continues its vital work, ensuring that Airbus production lines remain efficient and on schedule. It is the key to just-in-time delivery, moving parts between factories with a speed and reliability that is unmatched. But there is a second Mriya, an unfinished dream that has sat in a hangar for decades, waiting for its chance. It remains a symbol of what could have been, a silent witness to the changing tides of history and technology. The cost of completing it is immense, but the value it would bring to global aviation is even greater. Maintenance was a constant challenge, requiring a dedicated team of experts to keep the 6 engines and complex systems running. Spare parts were rare and often had to be custom-made, adding to the difficulty and expense of keeping the giant flying. Antonov Airlines operated the Mriya as part of a fleet that included the smaller but still impressive An-124 Rustlin. Its reach was truly global, visiting every continent and landing at airports that had never seen anything like it before. When it landed in Australia, thousands of people gathered to catch a glimpse of the legendary giant of the skies. Aviation fans around the world followed its every move, documenting its journeys with passion and dedication. The Beluga has also evolved, with the XL version offering 30% more capacity than its predecessor. This increased efficiency allows Airbus to produce more planes faster, meeting the growing demand for modern air travel. The transport network is a marvel of modern logistics, managed with high-tech systems and a dedicated team of professionals. Precision loading is critical, ensuring that massive aircraft parts are moved safely and securely between factories. The An-225's last flight was a somber moment, a final mission before the tragic events that would change everything. It was a symbol of national pride, a testament to the skill and ingenuity of the people who built and flew it. The loss of the Mriya was a tragedy for the entire aviation world, a giant silenced by the fires of conflict. Hostomel Airport, its home for so many years, became the site of its final, tragic stand. The global reaction was one of shock and sadness, as people everywhere mourned the loss of a true icon. Tributes poured in from every corner of the globe, sharing memories and photos of the plane that touched so many lives. But the future of heavy lift is not over. New concepts and designs are already being explored to fill the void. The dream of rebuilding the Mriya lives on, fueled by a determination to see the giant fly once again. International support is growing, with nations and companies pledging their help to bring the dream back to life. Meanwhile, the Beluga XL continues to thrive, a testament to the power of specialized design and efficient logistics. It powers the Airbus assembly lines, ensuring that the next generation of passenger planes is ready for the skies. Its unique aerodynamics are a marvel of modern engineering, allowing such an unusual shape to fly with stability and grace. Training the pilots to fly these giants is a rigorous process, requiring hundreds of hours in advanced flight simulators. The An-124, the Mriya's little brother, continues to serve as a vital part of the global heavy lift fleet. It carries impressive loads, from helicopters to industrial machinery, proving the enduring value of the Antonov design. While smaller than the An-225, the An-124 is still a giant in its own right, with 4 powerful engines and mass. The record for the heaviest single item ever carried remains a testament to the Mriya's incredible strength and capability. Engineering challenges were constant, but they were met with innovation and a refusal to accept the impossible. The power of all 6 engines working together was a sight to behold, a raw display of human-made force. As a global icon, the Mriya inspired generations of children to dream of the skies and the wonders of engineering. The Beluga's interior is a high-tech workspace, designed for the safe and efficient transport of critical aircraft components. Safety is always the top priority, with rigorous inspections and checks ensuring that every flight is a success. The environmental impact of these giants is also being addressed, with new technologies aiming to reduce emissions and waste. Sustainable aviation fuel is a key part of the future, helping to make even the largest planes more eco-friendly. The legacy of Oleg Antonov lives on in every plane that bears his name, a testament to his vision and skill. A new era of cargo aviation is beginning, with advanced materials and engines pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The importance of air cargo has never been clearer, delivering life-saving equipment and supplies to those who need them most. Connecting the world through the skies, these giants of the air ensure that no place is too remote for help to reach. The dream lives on in the hearts of those who were inspired by the Mriya, a legacy of hope and innovation. Rebuilding hope is a collective effort, a testament to the resilience and determination of the human spirit. The power of the human spirit is the ultimate engine, driving us to rebuild and reach for the skies once again. A new Mriya will one day take to the skies, a symbol of a dream reborn and a future filled with possibility. Thank you for joining us on this journey. The giants of the sky will continue to inspire us for generations to come.